What's going on, guys? Hope all is well. Today is Friday, March 24th. I want to say what's up. Happy birthday to my good friend Eric. His birthday's tomorrow. My co-worker, good friend. But anyway, hope all is well. It's 60 degrees out the last week. That's why I haven't been filming. I mean, I could film maintenances all day and nonsense, but anyway, it's 3:30. I was about to go home. I'm not on call, and Aprili asked me if I could go on one more, so why not? What am I gonna do? Go home and do nothing, even though it's Friday night? But that's it. I'm gonna head over there. It's about 20 minutes north. It's on my way home anyway. Right now I happen to be in Yonkers, New York. That's it. See what it is. I want to give a shout out to Misfits of Hvac, Hughes Man, and HVA Chick. I think Coolin' with Kraus was on it, or was supposed to be. I don't know if he's going to, but they're all great. And I like the idea. So that's it. Check them out. Misfits of Hvac. Obviously check out Hvac Survival R, everything HVAC R, Hughes Man. And those are their individual channels. HVAC Chick or HVA Chick. I'm not sure if she's on YouTube besides the Misfits of Hvac, but I know she's on TikTok. I enjoy her content. But let's see what it is. It's Friday and it's 3:20, so hopefully I don't get killed with traffic, but I don't really care. So it's all overtime to me. All right, let's see what it is. It just says no heat. We're gonna go this way. I think I've been to this Menzies house before. No problem, bro. What kind of heat you have here? Okay, what do you have? Hydro, like with a boiler, or is it?
Yeah.
You have that System 2000 downstairs?
Not sure.
I think I was here before.
Yeah,
in the
through the build.
Right behind here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's what probably feeds. We got two zones here. That's not good. That's off. This is the one that he says is not here. This thing's frozen. Okay, this one's. Let's see what the. I told him to turn the one off that is not that is heating, and the one on that is not heating, because it's blowing cool air at the air handler. It's hydro coil. Okay, there we go. This almost looks frozen. disconnected this freed up. This is gonna be frozen, but Let's see. This one's the one that's off right now because that's the one he turned off. Let me wire these back together to see if this actuates because the thermostat's calling here. Back together right here. You see, I touch these together, and then your actuator opens. Okay, take it off, and it stops. There it goes back. So. Button here. There you go. Pulls off. So this wasn't on all the way. And we're gonna put it back on all the way for them. There you go. Do this. We're gonna go upstairs. The one that he said was blowing out cool air. We are going to make sure it's blowing out hot air right now. This one's off. Okay. It's on. This one's off right here. Like that. It's wide open and hot. Okay. It's wide open, and that's zone 2. Zone 1. All right, so he's going to turn them right. He wasn't even calling for heat, so let's see. He's going to turn them both off. This one's off already, I can tell. Okay, so, but this one's wide open. Turning them both off right now, counting to 30 seconds, and then he'll turn them back on. There you go. He closed this one, so I told him to turn it off. So that's closing. And this one, we want him to close that one too. These are with them both on right now. Wide open, okay? Now I'm gonna go to the thermostat and see which one closes. So we're gonna go like this heat. And we're gonna, this way I'll be able to see which zone closes because nothing's marked down there. That's the problem. And this was the floor that was blowing cool air?
Yeah.
Okay.
It seems to be blowing warm now.
Okay. That's because that valve, the valve was locked and it wasn't positioned fully onto the actual actuator.
So you said that's a temporary.
Well, okay, so here's your bottom level. Yep, right's the bottom. And that's hot as heck. And that's your upstairs is very hot. Okay, so, and this, like I said, at one time I can't tell you if this was reversed zone 1, zone 2. I'm just telling you this is your downstairs right here. Okay, and I know that because your piping's going down that way. So, okay, so now. Okay, 75.
Yeah, no, I was like, I'm not going back to the city.
Nah, the city's a mess. I mean, between the crime, the shootings, the bodegas, please, it's disgusting down there.
Just a little too crowded for me. Like, I'm a big fan of the space up here.
Yeah, you have yard, you have great restaurants, and not half the price, but...
I can take the dogs for a walk or go for a run, and I'm not, like, surrounded by people. And what would cause the valve to stick?
So that valve was, they just do. I mean, it's old. But let me see if I have one on the truck, and I'll pop one on. But the actual lever that was trying to open, that is powered when there's a call for heat, wasn't opening or closing. So I had to pull it off, and then I just kind of feathered it with my finger and got it to work. But
So is that what you're potentially...
that lever was stuck. Let's see what I have in here. Turn them both off. We have to come back and order an Erie zone valve because I don't have a head, and I'll sweat this right now because it's 4:30 in the afternoon, but we have one at the shop, and we'll be back on Monday to do it. It's working right now. So he's going to go ahead, close both thermostats, and just see them actuate, and then he's got good heat coming out of there inside at each zone, at each vent. Now he's turning them back on. Can't do the Honeywell zone valve. It doesn't fit with the Erie, but I have one at the shop, like I said before. And we will be back Monday to fix it. But right now he's heating. I was able to free this one up. Oops. Take these off for a second. That's one thermostat. There. Both actuated. This was zone 2. We will go ahead and get a new zone valve here. We got a sweat. One. Okay. Now let's just go check my temperature inside, and we're gonna be good. Zone 2 calling. Now let's go check temperature. When we got here, we're calling for 75. I'm gonna go over here and check.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, and make sure that the valve closes properly. And then and it should be about 90 seconds on the airflow to stop. But we'll give that a second. And that's with the thermostat off.
Yeah, I mean, it's on. It's just down at 62.
Well, yeah, but I have it off. 91.4 and decreasing. 90.7. So there we go. We're going in the right direction. That's good.
What should it ultimately be if it's not calling?
If it's not calling, it should be 0, because like if you had this off.
Basically, we just need.
Let me get him a price on Erie, and we'll be back Monday to replace it. But like I said, it's heating, and it's stopping. It's closing and opening when it needs to. The zone valve that was stuck when I got there. As you saw, I pulled the head off, but I don't think that was the issue. I think just the lever was frozen shut. But I freed it up for a day or two. Hopefully, he gets a couple days out of it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. That was just a quick video. One of his air handlers were not heating due to a stuck zone valve. I don't carry Erie on my truck, and it's Friday night. So Monday morning, I have him, as you saw, I have him heating now. Why it was stuck, I have no idea. But just from corrosion, I'm not sure. But I called the supply house, and Monday morning, I will be back there to, actually, he wants both of them replaced. So, that's what we're going to do. Please have a great weekend. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That's it. Summer's coming, thank God. It's been a terrible winter for HVAC, at least in New York. I mean, I've been making, 50 hours a week, but just nothing to film, not even interesting work. Forget filming. It's just, whatever. But that's it. Thank you again. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. Take care.